so sweet and crunchy, perfect for me. Banana, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, soft and yellow, yummy all day. Cherry, cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, juicy and red, give them a try. Date, date, D-A-T-E, a sweet little snack, as tasty as can be. Fig, fig, F-I-G, soft and chewy, just right for me. Grape, grape, G-R-A-P-E, purple or green, they're fun to eat. Kiwi, kiwi, K-N-W-I, fuzzy outside, green surprise inside. Lemon, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, so sour and bright, a yellow fun. Mango, mango, M-A-N-G-O, golden and ripe, they make me glow. Orange, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, full of juice and vitamin C. Peach, peach, P-E-A-C-H, soft and sweet, it's such a treat. Pear, pear, P-E-A-R, green and juicy, a star by far. Plum, plum, P-L-U-M, purple and round, come have some. Pineapple, pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, spiky outside, so sweet and free. Raspberry, raspberry, R-A-S-P-E-E-R-R-Y, little red dots, a tasty flurry. Strawberry, strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, bright and red, a joy to try. Tomato, tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, juicy and red, they're good for you. Watermelon, watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, green on the outside, red when it's done. Papaya, papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, orange and soft, so good, hooray. Guava, guava, G-U-A-V-A, green or yellow, healthy all the way. Let's learn and spell these fruits today. Yummy and healthy, hip hip hooray.